Hello, today we'll show you how to create a professional quote template. Start by going to the menu bar and selecting Template. Click on the New Template button to get started. You can quote by price per square foot. Next, enter and select the information for your new template. Choose from existing items or create new ones based on your needs. Alternatively, you can quote by line item for more detailed pricing control. Then set up your payment terms. You can enter them manually or use AI to automatically generate your terms and conditions and warranty information. Add photos to your template and finally choose your quote layout. Select from options like Classic, Basic, or Cover Image Style. You can see a preview of your template to make sure everything looks perfect. Click Save Template. Congratulations! You've successfully created your template. It now appears in My Templates, where you can use it or edit it anytime. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful.